Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, after the unseasonably warm conditions that we saw last week, we're going to see cooler conditions this week. Temperatures much closer to normal for this time of year. We'll also see a pretty big change in our weather pattern as we saw abundant sunshine last week. We'll see a good deal of cloudiness this week as we will see a setup that will give us some onshore flow and lots of low-level moisture over the next couple of days. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see a stalled out frontal boundary just to our south, an area of low pressure just off the outer banks, giving us that easterly flow and low-level moisture that we are seeing, resulting in some low-level cloudiness this morning. We're going to see a little break in that cloudiness as we go into the afternoon. So take a look at our satellite and radar composite this morning. You're going to see this band of cloudiness just stretching to our west this morning. Really just a little bit of light shower and sprinkles off the coast, but this cloudiness is going to eventually move off to the east as we go through the morning and afternoon hours today, and we'll see a little bit of sunshine as we go into the afternoon hours before cloudiness returns later this evening. Currently out there we see a few clouds at the 1,000 foot level, another deck of clouds that is broken at around 3,000 feet, the broken deck at 9,500 feet with unrestricted visibilities, wind out of the northeast at 7 knots, temperature of 60 degrees, and our relative humidity is at 90%. Looking at the next 24 hours, you can see that cloudiness begin to decrease this afternoon. We'll see partly cloudy skies during the late afternoon and into the early evening hours before returning cloudiness overnight tonight. We'll see some low cloudiness, potentially over 500 feet with our ceilings after midnight tonight. Those temperatures will be dropping into the low to mid 50s, and that wind continuing out of the northeast at around 8 to 13 knots overnight tonight and into the early portion of the morning hours. You can see with our terminal forecast by midnight tonight, we'll be looking at a deck of broken clouds at around 1,000 feet, and then the potential for those ceilings to go under 500 feet after 2 a.m. tonight, potentially at 400 feet or so during the overnight hours between the hours of 2 o'clock and 8 o'clock in the morning. We could also see a little bit of reduced visibilities overnight tonight into the early morning hours of Tuesday as well. So we look at the next couple of days, Tuesday and the Wednesday, showing much of the same as far as the low cloudiness and light rain activity. I think our best chance for any kind of significant rain shower activity will be Tuesday night as a disturbance rotates inland off the ocean Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. But overall, it does not look like a significant rain event for us. We're just going to be dealing with these low clouds and areas of drizzle and light rain showers over the next couple of days. Looking at a high temperature of 60 degrees for Tuesday. Tuesday night, cool once again with the overnight low temperature of 53, and then warmer temperatures possibly by Wednesday, as we could see a few peaks of sunshine by Wednesday afternoon with a daytime high of 68 degrees. That'll wrap it up for the daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice morning.